This thing is the coolest adapter I have ever seen. So this is made for a Dyson battery, and right here I have a generic Dyson battery, and it charges on the battery, and it has a flashlight. Hold it down. It was just on and I couldn't get it off, of course. Let's see. So you slide it in until you hear the click. Boop. There we go. Look at that. So cool, and it has different settings, brighter, flashing, on, and then if you hold it down, it turns right off again. And then it has USB ports. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe it's upside down, and it plugs in there. So cool. This thing could be great in an emergency, and it's super easy to use, comes off really well, and they're great. How cool is that?